ensure the highest level of quality, the high-carbon steel core wire is first checked visually under a zoom stereo microscope to verify its hex shape and consistency. We then measure the core wire's diameter with a digital micrometer to test its adherence to our prescribed specifications. Spools of wrap wire are then tested on our Instron machine. We coil the wrap wire around posts on the machine, stretching the wire until it breaks. A computer measures the distance and the amount of tension the wire was under before breaking. These strength and elongation tests validate the wire for use as a musical string. The wire now undergoes a twist test to check the ductility of the material on our torsion tester. The wire is looped onto a hook, clamped on a metal block and rapidly spun, twisting the core wire until it breaks. Only wire that passes all of these stringent tests will be used to make finished strings. The next step is the assembly of the string core. The core is constructed from two components, the core wire and the ball end. Ball ends are designed to hold the string in place on the guitar's tailpiece. D'Addario was the first company to institute colored ball ends to make each string easily identifiable. Ball ends are placed in plastic hoppers, which shake from the force of specially designed air pistons pushing up through the center. This is the ball end sorter. Ball ends shoot out of the pistons into a bucket underneath in preparation for attachment to the core. Next is the core wire assembly. The core wire is made from hex-shaped high-carbon steel. Each core is cut to the required length and a ball end is applied through a pneumatic feed mechanism. This places ball ends on a pin on the core machine as they drop from the bucket. Core wire is guided through the feed tube by electrically powered feed rollers passing the core wire behind the ball end and into the alignment jaw arms. Then the pins spin, twisting the wire into a neat loop around the ball end. Each string is twisted to perfection, right down to 3 neatly wrapped lock twists, D'Addario innovation. These lock twists are instrumental in preventing strings from unraveling or breaking prematurely. Finally, strings are ready to be wound using D'Addario's exclusive computer-controlled machines. A worker fits the ball end of the core wire onto the machine and starts the wrap wire feed. The electrically powered winder spins the core, grabbing the wrap wire. The wrap wire is then drawn down the length of the core. The winding carriage ensures the string has a clean and consistent wrap. Computerized sensors monitor the winding speed, tension, and wrap angle. This ensures the specifications are adhered to during the entire process. Wrap wire material is generally softer, ensuring a tighter bond between the wrap and the hex core. Different alloy wrap wires are used depending on the type of string being made. D'Addario XL electric guitar strings are made from nickel-plated steel, while acoustic guitar strings are generally phosphor bronze, 80-20 bronze, technically known as brass, and 85-15 bronze. Classical guitar strings are made with a stranded nylon core, which creates a warmer tone and softer feel. Here, a worker hooks the nylon core material onto the string winder. Next, we loop the silver-plated copper wrap wire onto the nylon core. The hook spins, which coils the wrap wire around the core, binding it and pulling it down the length of the string. Finished strings are then cut to length. The finished strings are coiled, then placed on a conveyor belt ready to be packaged as your favorite D'Addario string set. Our environmental sets are packaged with all 6 strings sealed in one corrosion-proof bag, and then packed in a recycled cardboard pouch, reducing package waste by 75%.